All right. Hello, hello, hello. For those of you rewatching this, because no one's watching it yet. This is what I'm up to. So right now, I just have this is one of the kind of sample world prompts uh, that was created from Bolt. Um, so there's a few different options, and this one specifically involves like vast deserts, sand dunes, and then it has additional information that gets added on, like high detail, cartographic accuracy, clear boundaries. I have some clips in here, or some negative prompts in here as well, trying to remove compasses, uh, text labels, that kind of thing. Um, so this is going to take a while. My computer's not especially fast. I also don't. Let me stop this because sorry if you guys can hear the screaming out there. 256 byte pixels is the default size of leaflet. Uh, if it wants to work at all. Let's see. This does not. All right, let's see. So it says they're running. I don't know why. There we go. Okay, so it should be making this 256 pixel images, which are the initial world maps that I'm making here. Uh, so we're just waiting for this image to finish right now, and then we'll go on to learning to upscale images. Because basically what I need to do is I need to take this one image, I need to split it into multiple parts, and then I need to upscale those images, and then I need to repeat that process going down to create uh, a map that can be zoomed using Leaflet. So that's what I'll be working on. Okay, so now we have these images. I still can't really seem to get it to eliminate. these compasses completely. So that's something I'll have to work on. But so this image is a pretty good one, right? So not too much text in here or here. So I'm not going to worry about it too much. I ideally don't want that, but you know, is what it is. So that's good enough for me to start with. Save this in, or I don't need to save it because it stores under outputs.
Welcome to episode 12 of our Comfy UI tutorial series. Today I want to show you how I upscale images to get a larger size and better quality. Usually when you upscale an image, you lose quality, but with Comfy UI, we can actually achieve a bigger image with improved quality. I searched for a method that upscales quickly while still maintaining good image quality. Let's go to the Manager and Custom Nodes Manager to get the custom nodes we need for our workflow. If I sort by installed, you can see all 10 nodes I have from previous episodes. Now let's change the filter to all and search for Control-Alt-AI nodes. Click install, and once it's ready, you'll see.
I'm not using Flux, so that might not work. I can't actually run Flux, so that might be moot.
Tutorial series. Today, I'm showing you how to upscale your AI-generated images. I
My
talked
leg's
about this
numb.
in episode 12, but today I have some improvements to avoid the bands or vertical bars that sometimes appear when we upscale with the Flux model. I will show you how I upscale using both Flux and SDXL models. I am using Comfy UI, and if you go to the workflow, you can open a workflow. I've created 8 workflows for different models, including Flux, SDXL, SD version 1.5. These include both image to image for simple upscaling and text to image plus upscaler, so you can generate and upscale at the same time. All of them can be downloaded for free from my Discord. Let's start with this simple one that uses an SDXL model. It may look complex, but it will make more sense in a few minutes. I assume you've already watched the first episodes of this series. So you start here, and you have all the instructions you need in this Pixaroma note. You need a model that you can download from here, and you need to place it in the checkpoints folder. Just click on it, navigate to your Comfy UI folder, go to models, and place it in the checkpoints folder. The second
All right, I'm gonna have to end this stream. I can't do it with these kids screaming. It's driving me absolutely mad. So I'll be back on in a few hours when that is